keep breathing. And on this next breath out, just let it all go. Let the chest fall through the fall. Chin up just a little. Yes. Instagram approved. My wife's Dominican, he's Dominican, that makes me Dominican.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's the way it works, but it is the way it works.
If you like Dominican Republic as much.
I'm just gonna prep this and not adjust it. Oops. Not really there. You just let it fall all the way to the right. You chin up a little. Bring your neck back just let us.
You okay?
He was funny.
Wow. He wasn't expecting that.
What's up, big crack? The other side?
Well, now I gotta check the other side because you caught that right there at the end. I was like, I mean, I knew you weren't hurt because I knew how well it set. Your reaction, I was like, boy, this guy might get a neck cramp or something. Like, it would create a spasm. That was pretty serious, though, right? That was a set. That was a set right there.
Your face is so red right now.
We put his head back on straight. That's the head back on straight occiput adjustment.